Hello, good evening, all my Facebook friend, Instagram friend. Hello, how are you? Fine. I am grateful to you and thankful you are contacting me on my international television channel and the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You are sending message and offering something. One of my best and greatest friend of the greatest Universal Film Studio Industries from the Japan, Canada, from Paris, the respectable Mrs. Sarah Maki Queen, the owner of the Universal Film Industries and the latest making film industries, films in the worldwide. She has offered me to work as an artist in film industries, Universal Film Industries, in Canada, in UK, Tokyo, and in Paris. I would like to tell her thank you so much. That is a very great invitation for me to work as an artist in film of the Universal Film Industries. So, because I am not a Shah Rukh Khan of Indian King, and I am not a Amitabh Bachchan, like Amitabh Bachchan is king of the Bollywood studio, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan, many film artists in India, they are all greatest artists. In Pakistan, all film industry and television artist division are failed, I know, but India is the famous in the about 100 in complete century. So I belong, my grandparent belong from India, and I am belong from Pakistan. My mother and parents' father tongue, Urdu, Punjabi, and my tongue also. I know the language, English language, Arabic language, in Farsi language, in Urdu language, in Hindi language. So I am working too much on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and in Facebook many channels. I have make messages, pages, and channels. There are I have I have many program, thousand program planning of the sciences subject, of the sciences, science test subjects, of the new modern generation computer sciences technology subject. There are some religious international subject. There are some many subject, thousand subject are preparing and they organizing and representing in the worldwide in all my YouTube international television channel. Its name is the greatest universal, incredible talking, amazing talking studio. So I have too much work. Also, I have to know she is the greatest owner of the Universal Film Industries in Tokyo, Japan, in Canada, in Paris. Roundabout, she is the too much richest woman person. I am not richest person. I am not rich. I am belong from my poor family and living in village in Pakistan, in Punjab. So I haven't any sources and anything, but my choice and I am interesting from my child life. I am interested too much in religious topic subjects, in sciences and science test subject, and the new technology of the computer sciences technology subject. I want to prepare and I want to make a good result for the new generation. So must I have to work this one for the all humanity, human kind services, and for the human rights in the worldwide. There are too much difficulties and trouble for the humanity in the worldwide, in any country, in our country, in all countries in the world. So because they haven't resources, helpful servicing and supporting from the governments, from the all other department, from the NGO of the international NGO, from USA, UK, and from Arabian countries. They are all disturbing to humanity and poor, jobless, and needful person. So I am also needful and poor person, but I have the too much thousands of programs on my 200 or maybe more than 200 pages international amazing talking television studio channels and Facebook sciences pages and the many topic pages, and also I have opened already from 2 years in Instagram international television media services and the Twitter and the other international sources and communication services. So I can't give to time to Honorable Queen Sarah Maki, Queen of the Japan, of Canada, Universal Film Studio Queen honor. So she offered me $20 million to work one film. I told her, don't joking with me. She was angry with me. She said, I am not angry, but I am not playing with you a game. I will give you more than 20 million dollars to make my film, universal style film. So I have preparing and thinking about that. It's too much money, but she say every one time you will get more than 25 million dollars for the each program. So I was not confused about the money, and I am not confused about the money because little family, a smallest house, belong poor family, and I am living in a town in Punjab near Lahore. So that is a happiness and a happy family, and I have good, glad and grace and merciful of blessing of the God, Holy Greatest God. I trust and believe and love God. So because my 200 program on the television channel and Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are introducing, presenting in the worldwide. So billion people are a friend and fan and looking and loving my program. I am too much happyful and thankful of the greatest holy God of the creator of the universal. So he given me a goodness and the good activities about the universal topics and the education life. So I am not thinking and I am not confusing about the money because I can get more than $100 million. I have 5 times I have received and got the international USA United States of American lottery system and the green card system citizenship from the America from New York 5 times. That is a very incredible and big award of the world. I have 5 times got and received many receipts and the many lottery numbers and the when the USA in the about 10 years before they have announced many lotteries and international program organizing and giving to all in the world to congratulations for the many thousands green card citizenship of the United States of America. So I have, I told you before, I had 5 times receive and got the green card United States of America and the citizenship documents and the receipt and announce and my name Shahanshah Jahan Shahanshah Ejaz Ahmed DMMH son of Dilbag Muhammad DMMH nominated in United States of America document lottery system and the international and government in government documents citizen immigration department. But I because if I go to America, must we have to take some money to adjustment to immigrant in New York or California like that in any city. But where I found $1 billion to to get, and after I visit to America and to immigrant. So that is better than if I have money and $1 million or other million support and fund from humanity NGOs or from film industries or from television department of the worldwide. So if I want to prepare and adjust in our Pakistan cities in Pakistan, I want to invest in Pakistan in my life, in my family, in my all cities in my Pakistan. I love Pakistan. I love too much Pakistani language, Urdu, Punjabi, all Sindhi, Pathan, Pashto, Farsi, and the Pakistani culture. I have life. I must prepare something, some program like that. I have preparing today. I announced and presented in our YouTube channel and in our Facebook channel the universal greatest Hatem Tai Ali Baba Alif Leila, all voices of TV studio. Like this, preparing the all historical, universal historical, great histories, stories, making and the adding and collecting to, I want to make in my channel the all program, and I will present all thing to all children for the new generation, that history program and the new latest program and new modern program. So Mrs. Sarah Maki, the great queen of the universal film industry, Japan and Canada and Paris. So most welcome. Thank you very much. I am very grateful and too much thankful about your $25 million to work in film and Universal Film Studio for films and each film work. So thank you very much. I can do all things, but I am a politician and religious and the scientist, professor, scholar, and the religious scholar and professor, field man. So before I have had some program in Pakistan television, Lahore, Islamabad, Karachi, I left and I say bye-bye because there are many producers and directors of the film industry in Shahrukh studio and the Pakistan television station are very uneducated, not good behave, and they don't interested in Pakistani man and in Pakistani's nation. They do not love Pakistani, so I left. I had left and say bye bye, goodbye, and I am now too much happy if offering me worldwide. One, I have my friend from United States of America, Hollywood studio, a director and producer from the many film industry director, Mr. Richard and Mr. Johnson, and one is Madam, I don't know, Angeli or what. They are also online daily talking with me on Facebook and Twitter and the like this all program. So I want to explain that I will think, inshallah, by merciful of God and grace, mercy of the God, my dear respectful Sarah Maki Queen, the honor of the Universal Film Industry Award and the cultural film and the honor of the Universal Greatest Film Industry. So I will inshallah prepare. You offered me about the stories writing. I am a greatest writer and artist of the designing and album designing and the writing designing. Before you sent me message about my stories you have read and studied, thank you very much, because I have many my oldest and newest stories in my international universal magazine, Dijong, Shahanshah Jahan Alamgir, World History Times newspapers and magazine and book about the 1,000 paper magazine and the 2,000 paper and 5,000 papers pages of the magazine. There are many novels. I am also a great novelist and story writers. So I have given you, inshallah, near about the 1 year or 6 months, So if you want to make a story in film industry, universal film industry, so most welcome. I like. If I will adjust about this, so I will visit America, Canada, or Japan, or France. So I have a very great offer from you to take all expensive and the free offer for me, any expensive and the my in my field to touch you in the all your office in International Universal Film Studio. So you give me offer and many thing and fund and amount and advance helping financial assistance. So I am very thankful by heartily my sweet darling Sarah Queen, Sarah Mackey Queen. You are a very greatest woman and very great humanity lover and the human rights lover and the humankind services lover. I didn't find in my life in the worldwide any person offer me. You are the very greatest. So thankful. I will pray for you. God will help us. God blessing us. God bless you all the time. Thank you very much. Most welcome, Sarah Meki, and all my Facebook lover, friend, fans are looking my program, television channel program, and my magazine program, and my all Facebook pages program is, and my interviews message and information messages. So most welcome. Thank you very much. Most welcome. Goodbye. The great kingdom of the Tokyo, Japan, Sarameki Queen, the Queen of and honor of the Universal Film Studio, film industry is a very great award and the very great thankful that your greatest invitation for me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Most welcome. God blessing you and God bless all my friend, all my fan touching me on the Facebook and Instagram, Twitter and all things. Thank you very much. Most welcome. See you inshallah. I will contact you. You are also online and live. Contact me. Thank you very much. Most welcome.